Hello friends, Class 1 General Knowledge. Questions and answers about birds. Identify the following birds. Question number 1. I am. Correct answer is sparrow. Question number 2. I am. Correct answer is crow. Question number 3. I am. Correct answer is pigeon. Question number 4. I am. Correct answer is penguin. Question number 5. I am. Correct answer is parrot. Question number 6. I am. Correct answer is swan. Question number 7. I can fly in the sky. I can whistle and talk. I eat green chili. I am covered in colorful feathers and have a tail. Correct answer is parrot. Question number 8. I am black in color and can fly. I have a melodious voice and sing during the spring season. Correct answer is cuckoo. Question number 9. I am the national bird of India. I dance during the rainy season. I have beautiful feathers. Correct answer is peacock. Question number 10. I does not sleep at night. I have a foresight and can turn my head almost all the way around.